Put it on there, Henrik.
Put it on there. Put the blue car on. And push.
Oh!
It needs a slight
Try again.
push. Go, black car.
Oh!
Here, try the yellow car. I bet this yellow car would do it.
Get it on there nice and straight. Ready? Push.
Oh!
Try the yellow car. Since we're not pushing hard enough anyway. Everything could possibly do that.
Oh.
Oh! Did it go?